Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must enable device location and grant Facebook background access first. Do that now. Once done, open the Facebook app and tap Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll to Location and tap it. This is where you control tracking features. Toggle location services and location history on so Facebook can record positions. Make sure you allow precise location if prompted, because coarse positioning won't show accurate places. This first step gets permissions sorted, so the app can write and read location data securely. Now configure how and when Facebook tracks you. Open Location in Settings and tap Location History to view and enable the timeline feature. Next, enable Nearby Friends if you want real-time proximity alerts, otherwise leave it off. For posts or check-ins, choose precise location so places are accurate. Also review app-level permissions in Android or iOS to ensure Facebook has background location and can refresh in the background. Finally, pick time ranges or delete past entries to limit retained data if privacy is a concern. Finish by verifying that location history shows your recent movements. Open your profile, tap Timeline or Location History map to inspect entries. Test tracking with a check-in or live location share to confirm updates. When finished, turn off sharing or delete specific locations to stop tracking. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting step. Toggle Facebook's location permission off then back on, restart your device, and ensure the app is updated. That sequence fixes most permission or background refresh issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.